Section 1, Certification Information. Basic contact information. Enter the contact name and title, the legal name of your firm, the telephone number, the other telephone number if there is one, the fax number, your email address, your firm's website, street address of the firm with city, county, or parish, state, and zip code. No P.O. box. Mailing address of the firm if different from your street address with city, county, or parish, state, and zip code. B. Prior or other certifications and applications. Is your firm currently certified for any of the following U.S. DOT programs? Check Disadvantaged Business Enterprise, DBE, and/or Airport Concessionaire Disadvantaged Business Enterprise, ACDBE. Please write in the names of certifying agencies that you have or are certified with. List the dates of any site visits conducted by your home state and any other states or UCP members. 11. Indicate whether the firm or any persons listed in this application have ever been A. Denied certification or decertified as a DBE, ACDBE, 8A, SDB, MBE/WBE firm. Check yes or no. B. Withdrawn an application for these programs or debarred or suspended or otherwise had bidding privileges denied or restricted by any state or local agency or federal entity. Please check yes or no. If yes, explain the nature of the action. If you appeal the decision to the Department of Transportation or another agency, attach a copy of the decision.